Okay, so we just caught this bird. My dog was about to attack him. We're gonna set him free. He's a baby, and I just want to make a video about him. So he's pretty cute. We fed him some worms. This is my friend, by the way. His name is Jonathan. There's this old YouTube channel called Alonzo 101, I think, and he's my brother, and his name is Smiley because he's shy. That bird, he always stays still. You can kind of see him move. Nope, not even gonna move. Come on. Come on. Okay, so he's not gonna move. Yeah, so that's my other friend. This is my backyard, by the way. I'm gonna do a tour, so don't look at anything you just saw. Okay, bye.